Hi guys, and today I will explain variables. And variables is three types: local variable, instance variable, and static variable. And previously I will explain objects, methods, data types, and first program. I will explain so many things. And first we'll check it out that all videos, and this video will understand more. And thank you, first of all, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. And thank you very much for watching. And variables like three types of variables are there: in local variable, instance variable, and static and class variable. Static or class variable. Static and class variable. These class variables are very very important topic in core Java. And I will explain class, I will explain method, I will explain object, data, and variables. And class to perform various combination of data types and methods, and methods to perform an action. That object to access methods. Okay, data type is a represent data, define data. Okay, these are the all about core Java. And we'll explain deeply in static variables. Variable. Variable is a name which is associated with a value that can be changed. For example, when write a int I is equal to 10, her variable name is I, which he is associated with value 10. Int is a data type. Okay, int is a data type, represent the data. This variable can hold integer value. This can you hold integer value. I will more examples like you. And data type, I will explain data type in previous class. I will once more explain it. And int, float, string, these are the data types. And these are data types represent the data, this variable contains integer value. That value is a variable value also. Okay, data type is a integer integer represents this variable. This variable contains integer value. Okay, this is a variable, just like a variable. I will explain clearly. And there are three kinds of variables in Java. There are three kinds of variables in Java. In Java, all variables which be declared before they can be used, and local variables and defined with the method and able to access within the method only. Java, all variables must be declared before they can be used. Local variable defined with the method and able to access within the method only. Defined with the method, able to access with the method only. Okay, instance variable defined outside the method within the class. Outside the method, in the class, inside the class. Okay, outside the method, inside the class. And static class variable. Static and our class variables need to use the keyword as a static, and variable are nothing but reserved memory location. Variables are nothing but reserved memory location to store values. This means that when you create variable, you reserve some space in memory. Based on the data type of variables, the operating systems allocates memory and decide the what can be stored in the reserved memory. Therefore, by assigning different data types to variables, you can store integer decimal characters in these variables. Okay, any kind of values we can store. That kind of depends on data types. Okay, I will explain theoretically, and I will explain practically. I will explain practically, you more understandable. And I will create one project, I will create one package, and will create one class. I will create one more class. The class name is tc001 001 variables type of variables. Okay, just public, click and finish. I'll create one project. Okay, I will create one method, and methods are creating only outside the main method inside the class. Okay, you noted some note, and first note is method is creating inside the class outside the method. Okay, let's create one where one variable. One variable is one variable is some local variable. We'll create some local variable, public, not using public, and int a equal to 10, and is a local variable. And I will public void yum1. I will create one variable, int b equal to 20. Okay, a value is a value is here, and b value is I will create one more class, sorry, one more method. I mistake it, one more method, and I will create one static, create one static variable. That variable name is c30. A value is yeah, and b value b value is b values b b value not accessing. We are not accessing b value. My doubt is, you write it below. Why using b value answer? You got an answer and write it comment section. C value. We'll go to C value in section, and I will get a C value, write it to in this, and I will create three types of variables. I will create three types of variables. That variables names are is a local variable. This is a local variable. This is a class class or static variable, and this is in variable is a variable is a normal variable. Is a normal variable. I will local variable, instance variable. Sorry, I'm not like instance variable. Sorry, I will one mistake it. Sorry guys, I will one mistake. Is not a local variable. Is a instance variable. Is a local variable. Okay. Okay, I will create three types of variables. First one, local variable. This local variable only inside the class, outside the method. And one instant class, I will create one instant class. This class is inside the method, outside the class. And one I will create one more variable. That variable name is static. The static variable everywhere, and I will create the static variable inside the class, outside the method, and two variables, local variable and static variable, creating outside the inside the method and outside the method inside the class. I will one variable I will create inside the method. These are the three variables, and three variables is like the different types of variables, and I will create one method. First method I will create it, and system.out.println, and a local variable. Local variable is a accessing all methods, accessing all methods, and log. I will create instance variable. Instance variable I will create, but accessing only one method. That method is any kind of method using, not any kind of using method, local variable and static variable, but instance variable only accessing that method. Only that method is accessing. Why? Because instance variable is a that own method, own variable, is not like a other variable, is a own variable. That's a reason is not accessing the another method. Okay, the reason not accessing another method. And a c is accessing instance variable, local variable and static variable anywhere. And I will create one object and two accessing methods. Variables class name, obj object name, and the new keyword tc001 type for variable. Okay, is a class name. uh, name class name, object name, new keyword, and class name. This is a syntax. This is a syntax of object. This is a syntax of object. Okay, this is a syntax of object. We creating one object, and to access the methods, and dot m1 and dot bj dot m2. Control S, right click and run it. This method. I get answer and A B C and AC. AC ABC, first ABC and next BC. Why? Because BC is not printed. Why? Because it's creating, this method is creating okay, our success is, and just run it, and ABC first M1 method, and A 10 and B 20 and C 30 and A 10 C 30. Why is creating error? Because that error is M1 is own variable. That variable name is instance variable, is not accessing another method, only accessing on that method only. That's the reason is error is rising. This is the variables and variable types. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.